Oh, oh, walk this walk, you need no boots. I see myself each time I look at you. Everything that I need, always been so good to me. Now show me how you do it. First things first, it's a real body. Born with it, she don't need no practice. Do first class tickets just to fit that ass in. Been through it and she moved right past it. That big body, big money, check your balance, yeah. She a 10 plus 3. Can't buy this honey and that shit ain't free. Look around you, ain't nobody average. She turned can't have it into a habit, yeah. Walk this walk, you need no moves. I see myself each time I look at you. Everything that I need, always been so good to me. Now show me how you do it. First things first, it's a real body. You can tell how I move. It's all goddamn beautiful. And you need two hands when you hold it. First thing first, it's a real body.
Say love is blind, but you gon' see it coming when you find a time like this. Babe, don't waste my time. I could change your whole life. I could make a thug cry. The way I talk my shit, wrapped around my finger, I'ma tighten my grip. You gonna need two hands when you hold it. Boy, I can't get enough of it.
Walk this walk, you need no boots. I see myself each time I look at you. Everything that I need,
Everything that you need,
always been so good to me. Now show me how you do it. First thing first,
it's a real body.
you can tell how I move. It's all goddamn beautiful. And you need two hands when you hold it. First thing first, it's a real body.
Yeah, turn me up, I mean this bitch with Teddy Swim. Booty stout, look how I sit up in them schemes. All I wear is crop tops, you can tell I'm in the gym. Yeah, shot a trim, made him cut off his BM. My accent turn them on, they always asking where I'm from. Shit, you can look me up and find me on that bitch.com. Feel me, feeling like Mariah, got him wanna touch my body. Pretty ass shape, looking like I photoshopped.
Walk this walk, you need no boots. I see myself each time I
Look at you.
everything that I need. Always been so good to me.
Give more and more.
Now show me how you do it. First thing first,
It's a real body.